The evaporated test on a human teeth indicate that effective area during chewing is approximately 0.25 centimeter square and that the tooth length is about 1.1 centimeter. If the applied load of a vertical direction is 880 Newton, the measured shortening is 0.004 centimeter. Determine Young's modulus. If the Poisson ratio of the teeth is 0.3, also identify shear modulus and bulk modulus of the teeth. Okay, so first, it may look like something very complicated, but it is not complicated. Just write what are the given data. Unga formula enna edhuvunga. First, once you identify this, you know that what are the data they are asking. Enna kekranga? They are asking Young's modulus. They are asking shear modulus. They are asking bulk modulus. Okay, so just identify relation with respect to this. என்னென்ன இதுக்கான ஃபார்முலா மட்டும் எதுவும் ஸோ Young's modulus ஃபார்முலா என்ன ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் பை ஸ்ட்ரெயின். Young's modulus is stress by strain. shear modulus bulk modulus அதான் இங்க இருக்கு. Young's modulus shear modulus நம்ம ரிலேட் பண்ணா you get something like this. Okay, இந்த ரெண்டு ஃபார்முலா இருக்கு. Okay, right. So இதை பேஸ் பண்ணி let us identify what are the data given. Okay, given data என்னன்னா எது. So given. So effective area during chewing is 0.25 centimeter. அப்ப இது area. இதுனா cross section area. அதாவது 0.25 centimeter square. How will you convert this into millimeter square? ஒரு centimeter millimeter மாத்தனா you will multiply by 10. Okay, so it is centimeter square. So you have to multiply by 100. So 0.25 into 100 பண்ணீங்கன்னா what will get? 25 millimeter square. Okay, area, cross section area is 25 millimeter square. Right? Next, we go for length. Length of the teeth. Length of the teeth is 1.1 centimeter. Convert into millimeter. So into 10. So 11 centimeter. Okay, length of the teeth is 11 centimeter. Load P. P is equal to 880 Newton. So we'll write the value with respect to P. Then the measured shortening. What is this shortening? இது வந்து இந்த force vertical directionல 880 Newton apply பண்ணும்போது your teeth is getting shortened. Okay, அப்படி சொல்றாங்க. அப்போ இது என்ன இருக்குன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா change in length. Okay, change in length of the teeth. Change in length of the teeth is 0.004 centimeter multiplied by 10, 0.04 millimeter. Okay, so this is the data. We got the data. Now determine the Young's modulus. Young's modulus formula. We'll go with respect to this. Young's modulus is the stress by strain. What is stress? Force by cross section area. Force value inga irukku, cross section value inga irukku. So stress kandupidichalam. What is strain? Change in length by original length. Change in length irukku, original length irukku. So we can identify what is our strain. Okay, இல்லனா நம்ம யூசுவலா போடுற அதே ஃபார்முலா. என்ன ஃபார்முலா? del L is equal to PL by E. இது யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகே, நமக்கு E மட்டும் தான் தெரியாது, மற்ற எல்லா டேட்டாவும் இதுல இருக்கு. ஓகே, அதை நம்ம சப்ஸ்டிட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். வாட் இஸ் del L? 0.04. 0.04 is equal to P value, which is 880 into length 11 divided by area 25 into E. So cross multiply பண்ணோம்னா E will be equal to 880 into 11 divided by 25 into 0.04. Okay, so just calculate it. So numerator 880 into 11 divided by denominator, open the bracket, 25 into 0.04. So it is 9680. So this is equal to 9680 Newton per millimeter square. So Young's modulus we identified. Okay. So the next thing is you have to identify what is the E value. Is a K value and a C value. So Poisson's ratio கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. Question here they mentioned that Poisson's ratio is 0.3. So they mentioned mu is equal to 0.3. Just direct substitution. So in the first formula apply பண்றோம். E is equal to 3k of 1 minus 2 mu. So E is equal to 3k of 1 minus 2 mu. E value you know 9680 is equal to 3 into k of 1 minus 2 into 0.3. Okay, so we can identify k value. K value is equal to 9680 divided by 3 into 1 minus, so 2 into 0.3, 0.6 போட்டுக்கலாம். Okay, so that was the value. So just substitute it, find out what is the value. So 9680 divided by 3 into 1 minus 0.6. Okay, so we are getting 8066.666. 8066.66 Newton per millimeter square. So this is the value of K. So similarly, we can also identify what is the value of G. G இல்லனா C. So அது என்னது formula? E is equal to 2C of 1 minus mu. Okay, in the formula, right? So in the formula, sorry, 1 plus mu. Sorry. So 2C of 1 plus mu. Right? Apply this. E is அதே மாதிரி 9680 is equal to 2 into C of 1 plus 0.3. So C value கண்டுபிடிச்சோம். So C value will be equal to 9680 divided by 2 into, I will write as 1.3. Okay, so what will get 9680 divided by 2 into 1.3.
3723.07, sir.
3723. Okay, good. 3723.07 Newton per millimeter square. That's it. So நம்மளுடைய value K கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு, C கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. அதே மாதிரி we also identify what is the Young's modulus. So we are identified all the values, right? Even though it looks complicated, question வந்து பார்க்கிறதுக்கு ஒரு மாதிரி இருந்தாலும், given data, if you write the given data, you can easily identify. Okay, அது என்ன கேட்கறாங்கன்றது ஈஸியா வந்து you can identify and you can able to solve it, right?